Ooh, we're on, guys. Look at this monster. Hey guys, Isaac from One Up Fishing here. Back down in the mangroves of Botany. Today I'm in a little boat. It's just like a little fiberglass rowboat. It's slowly filling up with water, so I'll have to bail it out every so often so I don't sink. But you can see here, like, it's just super glassy. And I just want to float along the shoreline and flick a little soft plastic. Here's the soft plastic here, Jade gave it to me. It's just a little prawn, weedless. And yeah, hopefully we can flick that around. I can see little schools of baitfish jumping every so often, so hopefully that's a good sign that there's something feeding, flathead or brim. Let's get to it. Ooh, we're on, guys. Oh yeah, nice run. Just flick this little prawn soft plastic up in the shallows. I saw some bait fish feeding. And yeah, just threw this up there. It's a nice brim that I can see. Whoa. We don't have a net, so hopefully we can tie this guy out. Here we go, guys, a nice brim. So I took the soft plastic right in the corner of the mouth there, which is perfect. I'll weigh and measure him and then we'll send him back. All right, off he swims. Good stuff. Hopefully we can get some more fun little battles like that. So this used to have a rope, but someone's cut it off and taken the rope, which sucks. So we gotta hope that this doesn't float away. I'll try and beach it as best I can. Before I bail it out, I'll just have a little flick over this side, have a little walk. Hopefully we can find something and then Holy moly, there's a lot of big brim just there. How you going, man?
I thought I had one cast and I got snagged straight away. So from the gear.
That's why I'm using that weedless. Nice of you to
live on the edge like that.
Nice of you to come rescue the boat.
I think this is one of the spots up. The water's pretty clear in there, eh?
Super clear, man, in the bay there. Like you can just see so many brim just cruising around. Like. It's like an oven. It's like a grill, just grilling away. So there's the boat. I'm going to head off. Jade's going to take the boat for the rest of the day. I've got to head off to something else. So see you, mate. Have a good one.
Yeah, man.
Anything? I thought you'd be around that area.
I was going to just start working my way over. There you go.
Good, man. How are you?
So, do you want to have a little trek around there?
Yeah, I'm happy to do that side.
Yeah.
I've never had any luck really with lures here except for the Taylor. I'm going to put a hard body on. This is my favourite hard body.
A little double clutch or something?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's a Jackson thingy and it just cleans up. Flathead, brim, Taylor.
Skull drag it in on this. Probably just as big as a lure. That's probably what I hit it before.
Still something.
the Flounder King has got some competition.
Oi!
I'm pretty happy. It's the first time I've got a flounder in a while.
And that's a decent flounder.
Lucky girl. There's hungry Flounder King waiting to feast on your precious corpse.
We'll see him in another. Oh, yeah. That was close. If he's shook and then he's in the grass. Tiny baby Taylor. There, he's alright. There he goes. He just needed to be spooked. You're not? Oh. Had a little bite. Probably a flatty. Oh, look at this monster. Look at this monster.
That is a solid fish finger right there. That's the smallest flatty I've ever seen.
That is.
It's as long as my finger. Look at that.
That is amazing. Oh no, I wanted to measure him. No, he's gone. He slipped from my fingers, literally.
That was a good effort though.
Wow.
Smallest flat. Is that a record too for the channel?
I wanted to really measure that so I could have it be like 40 grams.
Well, that could be a half thing.
Yeah. Yeah. What is it? Surely a flatty. Yeah. Nice little flatty. Hooked in the corner of the mouth, almost through his eyeball, which isn't great. See you in a few more centimeters.